Summer is coming, and if you still don't have a fit body, I'm gonna help you with these 3 steps to help you finally get shredded without ever leaving your room. Starting with step number 1. Everyone tells you to do 30 minutes of cardio every single day. While that actually works, it actually works for people that don't have any other goals outside of only jogging and becoming stronger at running. But if you have another specific goal, doing 30 minutes of cardio every single day, you're cooked. Because you won't actually be able to have the strength, enough strength to actually do other workouts to get your abs or even growing your chest or your triceps or your shoulders. When I realized that, I went back to something we all did when we were kids and we forgot about. That's skipping rope. Yeah, even scientists are ranking skipping ropes one of the best compound exercise for fat loss, which means that 10 minutes of rope skipping, 10 minutes of skipping rope every single day is better than doing 30 minutes of jogging every single day. If you don't agree with me, you can go and take it yourself. And for the people that are looking to buy ropes, I just linked the cheapest rope I found on Amazon. By the way, not sponsored. I'm just telling you the rope that I used when I was starting out. And before I show you the workout, I'm gonna show you this one mistake that people tend to do when skipping rope. Here is the correct way of actually skip your rope. First one, stand straight, elbows locked, and don't forget your wrists are the only one making the movements. You do some slight jump. Some people will go on to jump very higher than the rope. Like the rope will pass by their legs before they land on the floor, which is a big mistake. And as you get better, you can start moving to more variations like this or even this. And don't also forget that not only by skipping ropes, you don't just get shredded, but you also have fun while doing it. And it also saves you lots of time when it comes to training. You can do it wherever you want, in your room, in the park, or in the garage if you have a garage, of course. In a free program, I put together all of the stuff and exercises that I did myself in order to get shredded as fast as possible. It's linked in the description. Before you go download it, let me show you the framework so that you know exactly why this program works. Push, pull, leg. That's the most famous workout split that you've ever seen on the internet. And let me actually tell you what's included in the program. For push day, all you're gonna do is only push-ups and dips. And believe in me, it works actually. Those are not normal push-ups that you see in your typical videos. If you haven't checked the program yet, I will highly recommend you to go to the description right now and download the program. Secondly, pull exercises. For pull exercise, it's a bit tricky because you will need a little bit of investment. And for you guys that don't have money, because I'm trying to make it as easy and as reachable as possible for you guys, I've just linked the freest and the most resisting doorway pull-up bar that I found on Amazon. You can go check it out. And by the way, I'm still not sponsored. Lastly, for your legs, everybody thinks that you will need this barbell in order to do squats. That's not actually the case. If you're just starting out and your goal is only to get shredded and have a fit body, all I recommend you to do bodyweight squats. There are multiple variations of squats. I've put them all together in my program. Those are the exact program. I'm telling you, this is the exact program that I followed when I was starting out to go from this to this. If you haven't checked it out, I'm telling you for the 3rd time, go check it out in the description. It's 100% free. And you're maybe thinking, what will I do if I want to apply progressive overloads? No worries, we have everything in our hands at home. And I use 3 hacks for that. First hack, increasing your number of reps. Yeah, it will increase your resistance, but you will get shredded for the summer. Our goal is not to build big muscles, it's only to get shredded. Second one, add weight. Not actually real weights from the gym. You just grab your backpack, and if you actually have books, if you are a student just like me, you just grab your books, put them on your bag, in your bag, and do the exercise. And thirdly, decrease the rest time between your sets. 3 frequencies to follow: noob, hustler, and unstoppable. And remember, go at your own speed, or you will burn out. And I know what you're thinking. Can I actually build muscles without ever leaving my room? Let me show you something real quick. You saw how those muscles were contracting together? Stop finding excuses and go do them. None of this matters if your nutrition sucks. I'm not actually gonna give you a meal plan, but I'm gonna give you these 3 steps that you need to follow in every meal that you're consuming. Rule number 1, protein first. Find your source of protein. It may be eggs, chicken, beef, or any type of protein source that you can find in your environment. Maybe some of you are staying in a dormitory just like me. I know how it feels like staying in a dormitory, but still, try to find yourself your protein source. Step number 2, for the ones that are a little bit in rush, I will highly recommend you to do a slightly deficit calorie. I'm not going to tell you to go up until starvation. Just go 300 and 200 less than the calorie that you consume daily in your daily life. That will be enough. Don't starve yourself. And finally, rule number 3, anything that is processed or is in a plastic, forget about it completely. Your chips, your cookies, your soda, black coffee, any type of energy drink, forget about them for only 4 weeks and you will see the real change coming in your life. And now here's your recap. 3 simple rules. Skipping ropes, the free program in the description. If you haven't downloaded it yet, I highly recommend you to go check it out. And the 3 simple nutrition rules. No gym membership needed, no weight needed, and absolutely no supplement needed. Just consistency and hard work. But I know something for sure. 99% of you that are watching this video are not going to take any action. And I know this is not laziness at all. And for the 1% of you that are going to take the action, come back 4 weeks later and comment down below what extreme change you've seen through my program. And for the other 99% of you that think that is actually due to laziness, I'm going to actually break down the reason why you're not actually taking action. It's not actually laziness. It's actually the topic of my next video. If you don't want to miss out on this video, click the subscribe button and click the like for support. And I'll see you to the next video.